Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Okay, we can next to my video. And from this, we have to clear all about the web, what we want and what we choose the design. Okay, the first we have to separate the sidebar and up bar with the body, because the body we have to make it static or dynamic, so we can change the data without remake the navbar or the sidebar. Just just by changing the sidebar and navbar to the content. Okay, first step is we have to go to the view that we have made. After that, can go to the top of the content and then we have to search for body. This is body. Okay, there is body. Can just find the word. Okay, this is the sidebar. This is the sidebar and this word is on there. So we just make it minimize. We have to control X or cut it. After that, we have to make a new file that the name is sidebar.blade.php. After that, we paste on this file. Okay, save. After that, we have to call again the sidebar. We hit tag include. Okay, so in this session, we have to input the file name. Okay, if we save and we reload it, the word not change, whatever we go. Okay, like this. Okay, the slicing is work. And after that, we have to go to the navbar. Okay, this is navbar. Okay, minimize it. After that, we have to Control X on this. After that, we have to create new file that the name is navbar.blade.php. Is saved. And that we call it with include and the name of file. Save, loaded, loaded, okay. Move well has not changed because we just raising it. We just take it on the other file that can make the content to be dynamic content. After that, we have to content on the other file too with content.blade.php. With that, we have to give a section tag with the name is content. Then we have to extend it to the main template that we had made, that is index. Okay, in this section we name it to we name this with easy, so you can call that in the main template, that is the index.php, and then we have to paste the content. Control save. After that, we have to go to this section again, to this file, and then we have to type the tag by yield, because the content can be changed with every time. I had call it with easy. Okay, this session must be same with this. Okay, so then we will after that we will add it. Oh, not covered because the controller have not direct to the content file. Okay, but now we have to change it to direct to content file. Okay, can you load it? The content will appear again. After that, we have to choose what we import to our web. In this section, we have to import this, and we have to import this. Then we're gonna go to the content. From the visitor, we have to let it visitor. Okay, we can delete it from JavaScript. JavaScript. to the let's you have to reload it. Okay, there is unused or use unused table. We have to delete again. This to do list. We have to delete it. Okay, we save and we reload it again. Okay. We just delete it from this from the from the name. Direct chat. Okay, this is direct chat. Oh, so far. Okay, we'll set again. We reload again. No. Oh, okay, so again we reload. Okay, the taskbar we will use is appear. Okay, thank you very much for this part. We'll go to the next part. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.